Good morning class. Today I'm going to explain you the topic cooling caused by evaporation. Already we have discussed about the definition of evaporation. Evaporation is the process of changing water into water vapor. The cooling caused by evaporation is based on the fact that when a liquid evaporates, it takes latent heat of vaporization. Already you know that latent heat of vaporization is the heat energy which is required to change liquid into vapor from anything which it touches. By losing heat, this anything gets cooled. Today I am going to explain you some examples to show that the cooling caused by evaporation. The first example is what happens when we pour some acetone on our palm. If we pour some acetone on our palm, the acetone evaporates rapidly and our palm feels very cold. This is due to fact that the change from the liquid to the vapor state, acetone requires latent heat vaporization. The acetone takes this heat of vaporization from our palm and the palm loses heat and gets cooled. This is one of the important example of cooling caused by evaporation. The next example is that at many places, especially in villages, people often sprinkle water on the ground in front of their homes during the hot summer evenings. Why? This water evaporates by taking the large latent heat of vaporization during the hot summer evening, and this water evaporates by taking the large latent of heat from the ground and surrounding air. By losing heat, the place becomes cool and comfortable. Why we should wear cotton clothes in hot summer days? We should wear cotton clothes in hot summer days to keep ourselves cool and comfortable. Why? We get a lot of sweat on our body in hot summer days. Already we know that cotton is a good absorbent of water. So it absorbs the sweat from our body and exposes it to the air or atmosphere for evaporation. This evaporation of sweat cools our body. Now another important example is there. The desert coolers cools better on a hot and dry day. Why? The high temperature on a hot day increases the rate of evaporation of water and dryness of air, that is low humidity of air. Also increases the rate of evaporation of water. And due to this increased rate of evaporation of water, the desert room cooler cools better on a hot and dry day. It is very common observation that we are able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer than from a cup. This can be explained like that the saucer has a large surface area. Already you have studied about large surface area, that is very important factor that affects evaporation. Due to the large surface area of saucer, the evaporation of hot tea or milk from the saucer is faster, and this faster evaporation cools the hot tea or milk more quickly, making it convenient for us to drink it. Children, one more example is there from our daily life that why we sit under a fan when there is hot summer day. Why? Because we get a lot of sweat on our body in hot summer day, and because of that we sit under a fan. A fan increases the rate of evaporation of sweat from our skin and makes us feel cool and comfortable. Thank you.